one. The silent ones are the most nasty ones. It's so hard. I don't know why I decided. Did you take a shower?
I took a dip in the sprinklers.
Girl.
No, the sprinklers were shooting up and we were just like standing in it.
Hold on, I saw him try out for the choir. Hold on, were you running for choir president? I saw you. You were
I know. I was like, vote for me because vote for me.
yeah, that's so awkward. And I saw you in my class, and the one that you just walked in, I said hi to.
Hey, can you sit down and back it up? Thanks.
I got pushed in because of that motherfucker fake. She pushed me and she was like, woo. And then she's like, real high. And Bernie's like, what the fuck you doing?